guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And I give you a juice, I give you meat-free Monday, and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. It is amazing. That's how it look, but we're gonna still use it because it's just for juice. All right, so let's go for it. All right, and hopefully we can go as it is at the moment. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some green apple. I'm using one medium-sized green apple. All right, we're gonna put that inside of it. It's not gonna be a long video, it's gonna be very short and spicy. I did this video a few days ago, but I'm doing a lot of detoxing. All right, so that's one medium-sized green apple. You may not able to see the blender because I did a lot of turmeric drink in this. All right, so that's why it may look like this at the moment. All right, now also we are going to put half of a cucumber inside of it. All right, so that's it, cucumber. Now we're going to put some turmeric inside of it, a nice lovely tablespoon of fresh turmeric. All right, lovely. So that's the turmeric right there. I use the number. So right here we have a medium-sized lime. Okay, we're gonna put one lime inside of it, just like that. We have a few slices of ginger, which we're gonna also use inside of it. Right here, we have a couple slices of celery, which we are also going to use inside of it. Beautiful, look at that. All right, so all of these natural greens right here is amazing to use in your diet at home, and I want to encourage you to do the same thing at home. My advice for you guys, okay, if you are interested of making any healthy recipes like these at home. Okay, so we have all of that inside of it. What we're going to do, we are going to put some water inside of it. All right, roughly about a cup of water inside of it. Lovely. And then we are going to put on the lid. All right, now this is how it look. We're going to make some noise and blend it up. All right guys, we're gonna make a little bit of a noise, and we are going to blend it and make you guys can see exactly what we are doing at the moment. So it's a beautiful recipe, and it is a very simple recipe where you guys can make at home. I'm not gonna be stressing out it too much, so that's why I'm quickly doing it just like this, because I'm already prepped my ingredients. Okay, now before we go any further, all right, this is the book From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. It's available on Amazon. So go over to Amazon and grab yourself a copy of my brand new book, Good Morning to You. So thank you so much for coming on the show. All right, let's put this one side, and we are going to using my strainer. All right, lovely. Okay, you don't have to strain it, but you know, I mean, you can drink it as natural. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna simply pour it off. All right, just like that. Excellent. And we're just gonna use a spoon and take time, run it through that strainer. Now this, all right, this right here, you don't have to throw it away. You can eat it, all right? But it's rough, but you're gonna have to be careful, okay? And you can also put back some inside of it. At least 5% of it is in right here, okay? A good vibes. Let's put this over here. Excellent. Excellent. So we're going to pour it out and let you guys can see exactly what's going on. All right, beautiful one. Now we're going to pour it out. All right, just a second, because I don't want to mess up my counter. All right, now this is how it's there, right there. All right, and that is amazing. I love this drink. I make it before and I come back and I make it one more time to show you that there is something really specific about this and an amazing, incredible juice. I hope you guys will enjoy it, and you know what I mean, as I say, leave your comments and tell me exactly what would you like me to make for you. A good vibes. Now, is this something where you like? Then yeah, why not try this on an amazing, incredible recipe at home. Thank you guys for watching, and I always try my best to give you the most beautiful recipes as I can. And wherever you are, bless upon yourself, lovely weekend, or wherever you are, thanks again for watching. You can drink this 2 times a day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. Is up to you. Very good for toxin and very good for building up your inflammation, reduce the inflammation in your gut. Good vibes. All right, people, you're done with the thing.